Skip Rasters is a function found on the vectoring toolbar. This function allows you to be able to carve any conformed vector, conform meaning that the vector itself will follow the surface contours of whatever pattern it is applied to. It allows you to be able to output that vector geometry without carving the underlying geometry. Essentially what that means is that you can take an existing item which you've already manufactured and customize it, or you could even take something which you purchase, say a baseball bat, scan the surface of that using the scanning probe, and then apply whatever customization you want to that actual surface. Now, it is important to note that it does apply to all rasters on the surface.